Now, a cold-blooded murder committed nearly 70 years ago has come up before the Supreme Court in India. The case is the assassination of none other than Mahatma Gandhi in 1948. And a petitioner now insists that there's been a conspiracy and a cover-up. The Apex Court has appointed an amicus curiae or a friend of the court to assist it in this new investigation.
The fact behind Mahatma Gandhi's assassination has seared in the nation's consciousness. A right-wing Hindu fanatic, Nathuram Godse, shot him dead in 1948. The shock of his death doused the communal fire raging through the subcontinent. But many could not reconcile to his idea of India rooted in cultural plurality. On Friday, the Supreme Court heard a PIL filed by Pankaj Fadnis. Fadnis wanted the probe into the Mahatma's killing reopened, claiming that it was a cover-up. The court then appointed Amrendra Sharan, a former Solicitor General, as amicus curiae to make an assessment and submit a report by end of the month.
This trial was titled Rex versus Nathuram Godse and others. Now this is very strange because Rex is a Latin word which means which in English means the king. Therefore, it is clear that in law, Gandhiji was considered a British subject. The law converted a living father of nation into a dead British subject. Now, another thing we would like to know is why was he considered a British subject in 1948 when we had already become independent on 15th August 1947?
Pankaj Fadnis claims of cover-up. Fadnis claims that a British unit was behind Gandhi's assassination, that Nathuram Godse could not have acted alone. Fadnis says that 3 shots were fired from a gun which could carry 7 shots, but 4 bullets were recovered.
He is a Mahatma, and should that be our view, and that is certainly my view, and I am sure that that will be the view of many, most people, then of course why he died, how he died, that eyewitness record continues to be very, very relevant. And that is why I am demanding declassification of the 3rd telegram.
It is widely expected that the case will be dismissed by the court on the grounds of limitation, where any case of murder cannot be reopened after 20 years. In this case, however, it's interesting to examine the larger motive behind the PIL. While Abhinav Bharat's ideological inclinations are not clear, there is no doubt